What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't uninstall app or program in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Now, what normally happens is that if you go to your auto remove programs, I'm currently using the Windows 11 by the way, so I'm going to simply right click right here and go to install apps, right? In your case, you might just want to go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard, then just simply type in add and you will see add or remove programs and you can just search for it and you can open it. It will take you into the same space as you will see, which I have for this window open right here. Now, if you go ahead and find any application that you want to uninstall and you click the three dots on the upper right hand side or wherever and click on uninstall. If you get the error when you try to uninstall the application, guys, it could simply mean that that application is currently running in the background. So what I recommend that you do is open up your task manager. In this case, you simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, go to task manager, and you want to go ahead and look for those current processes just to see if the current application is running. So if I was supposed to uninstall, for example, Google Chrome, or I was supposed to uninstall the OBS Studio, I will definitely get that error of that problem saying that I can't uninstall the application, right? And that's because the application is currently running in the background. So in your case, what you would need to do is simply go ahead and find that application. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Or right click on it and you will see the option to basically end the task. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and right click on this one right here and you can see end task. Otherwise, you can just click on it and in the upper right, you will find end task as well. Once you click on the end task, go back and try to uninstall that application again. And most likely that should fix the problem for you. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.